In addition to nuclear research, the UJV also deals with renewable energy sources and emission-free transport. In the development of hydrogen technologies, it relies primarily on the development of hydrogen electromobility and storage technologies based on hydrogen. Besides development, the UJV also provides consulting to partners from the public and private sectors and applications of hydrogen projects. The UJV has been developing the project of storage of electric energy and hydrogen since 2013. The technology is used for the installation of small photovoltaic rooftop power plants for the production of electricity. The surplus generated is then converted into hydrogen by water electrolysis and stored in a storage tank. In the absence of energy, hydrogen is reused in the fuel cell to generate electricity, and surplus is sent to the local distribution network. This green hydrogen can be converted into synthetic natural gas by methanization of carbon dioxide, power-to-gas technology which has the same use as extracted natural gas. The experimental hydrogen storage system in Rzeszów is also connected to a public charging station for electric vehicles. In addition to the energy storage project, the UJV Rzeszów, in conjunction with the University of Chemistry and Technology in Prague, has developed a functional prototype of a portable DC power supply with a hydrogen fuel cell, Powerbox 180W. This zero-emission, briefcase-sized device can serve as a power supply for blackouts to power medical devices, for the transport of injured persons or transplant organs, as a backup power supply for field hospitals, or to provide power for communication equipment. The UJV Rzeszów is also intensively involved in emission-free hydrogen transport, which is one of the solutions for the general requirement to reduce CO2 emissions. The Tri-High bus was one of the very first European prototypes of a hydrogen bus. The bus, which is equipped with a triple hybrid electric drive and hydrogen fuel cells, has been successfully tested in practice. The project also included a hydrogen filling station set up in Neratovice, the first and for a long time the only one in the Czech Republic. The development of emission-free transportation technologies in Rzeszów is currently centered on a project for a mobile filling station for small vehicles. It will be used by smaller commercial vehicles, forklifts or ferries. This filling station project is complemented by the development of a hydrogen cell range extender, which will increase the range of battery-powered electric vehicles and shorten charging times. These devices will be especially useful for small shift operation vehicles, such as handling equipment in city centres or small vessels. It will find its first application in Hivan and H2EI Zebra prototype vehicles. There is no longer any question of the benefits of hydrogen mobility for sustainable transportation, as it has become part of the production programs of global brands, with which our specialists in Rzeszów work intensively both in the Czech Republic and abroad. The UJV Rzeszów is also engaged in a project for a highly innovative nano-platinum catalyst for fuel cells. In addition to the development of emission-free transport solutions, the UJV Rzeszów is also involved in activities aimed at sustainable hydrogen production. From the perspective of the entire cycle, hydrogen mobility is just as ecological as the production of the fuel itself. The UJV Rzeszów bet on hydrogen more than a decade ago. As one of the founding members of the Czech Hydrogen Technology Platform, we not only focus on our own projects, but also promote these technologies to partners from industry and transportation, as well as public authorities.